Number 8, what is the solution to the following equation? X squared minus 3x minus 10 equals 0. And there's a 1 in front of x squared. Those usually, are easier to factor. So let's try factoring. Notice that it's equal to 0, right? Been saying all along, whenever you have a quadratic, got to get it equal to 0. So how do I get x squared? That is accomplished by multiplying x times x. How do I get a negative 10? Well, we could do negative 5 times positive 2, or positive 5 times negative 2, or you could do 10 times a negative 1, or you could do negative 10 times 1. So which one do we pick? Well, we want to pick the set that when I add them together is going to give me a negative 3. So negative 10 plus 1 is negative 9. That doesn't work. 10 minus 1 is 9. That doesn't work. If it's a 5 and a negative 2, that's going to give me a positive 3. But if I have negative 5 plus 2, that is going to give me a negative 10 when they're multiplied and a negative 3 when they're added together. We should always check our work by distributing. So you get x squared plus 2x minus 5x minus 10. Combine like terms. If you get what you started with, that means that you factored correctly. This question didn't just ask us to factor, though. It actually wants the solution. So you need to take this one step further. And we have x minus 5 equals 0 and x plus 2 equals 0. Solve for x. So x equals 5. X equals negative 2. And again, you also could use the quadratic formula for this. A would be 1, B would be negative 3, C would be negative 10. You also could have entered it into your graphing calculator to graph it. And we got a negative 2 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, positive 5. And you could see that on the graph as well on the table. Right? What's our x when our y is 0? So lots of different ways to solve. Choose whichever method is best for you.